Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. If you're following along in our beginner's lesson series, this would be lesson number 14. And today I'm going to show you how to play some basic 12-bar blues from using an A, an E, and a B chord. This is part of our basic lesson series. We'll be releasing one of these every Friday. It's always entirely free, and if you like them, like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot, all right? So let's get started with the lesson. So a simple blues, traditional blues progression is what they call the 12-bar blues, and I'm going to show you how to play it with an E, an A, and a B. So the actual chords and the notes for it are going to be, you're going to make an E chord by just basically barring with your first finger. And you're going to take your third and fourth finger, and you're going to, third is going to go on the fourth fret of the A. You're going to take your small finger, and it's going to go on the fifth fret of the A. Open E string when you do that. All right, and one measure for this progression would be this. That's one measure, okay? And then from the E, you're going to move up to an A on this. To do that, you're just going to take your first finger, move it down one string to where you're hitting the A string and the D string and the G string, like an A chord. Then on the D string, you're going to hit the fourth and the fifth fret, just like you did up here, but one string lower. From there, you're going to play a B chord, which is going to be a bar chord. And if that's too much of a stretch for you, you can do it like this. And to do that, you're just going to bar on the fourth fret here, middle two strings. And you're going to take your third finger, put it on the sixth fret, and then your fourth finger is going to go on the seventh fret. Okay, so I'll start from the beginning. This is going to be your E. This is going to be the A. And that's going to be the B. You slide up to the fourth fret. So E, A, B, then E. All right, so let me explain to you the 12-bar blues. So when you play 12-bar blues, it's 12 bars for a verse. So one measure is going to be this. So when you play 12-bar blues, the first chord progression you're going to play 4 times. You're going to start out on this E chord. You're going to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to move over to the A. You're going to go 1, 2. Then you're going to go back over to the E and do it 2 more measures. 1, 2. Then you're going to do the B 1 time, 1 measure. Then the A, you're going to do 1 measure. Then you're going to do the E 1 measure. Then you're going to hit a B chord. That's 12 bars is what that is. So you got 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, and 1. That equals 12 bars. And the last chord, they call it the turnaround. You can either hit a B chord, or you can go down and just bar those 2 middle strings again if it makes it easier for you. So I'll play 12 bars. So that's 12 bars of blues. And you can move that, you can play that progression in anywhere on the neck. If you want to play it that was the key of E. If you wanted to play it in the key of A, you would just start up here with an A bar chord. So you're going to have this 3-chord relationship. Depending on the key. If you play it here, it would be in a G. And that's basically the building blocks of a blues song. And once you learn how to play this 12-bar blues progression, then you can start improvising and soloing with it with a little bit of the blues scale. And it's a lot of fun, and if you have somebody else you can play with, you can take turns playing the chord progression and making a little lead to it. And if you stay tuned for our next lesson, we're going to actually, I'm going to show you how to play some of the blues scale that you can play along with that. So take your time on this. It's really fun to play. It's the building blocks for a lot of rock and roll songs. It's definitely for blues songs. and it's really fun to play, and it just sounds neat. You can play it on any guitar. It's not really complicated. It sounds nice. So I hope you like this. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. All right. So thank you, and have a great day.